split them in two. Grandma would be proud of how you eat right now. Tiny, but packed with the essentials. Ooh. Smells good. So we're waiting for the bus here. Saturdays means strictly cardio, and I got the boxing class to teach as well. This one's gonna be fun. I got something lined up for these guys. It's gonna be a good class. I could just feel it. Observation I normally make in the gym is that everybody's just always rushing, you know, whether it's rushing through a set, rushing through their workout. So just keep in mind, like, focus is very key in the gym. Like, you want to be hyper focused and be hyper aware of your body. So take your time, all right? Make sure that when you do schedule your workouts that you have ample time to get through your workouts so that you can have like a mindful workout. You don't want to be rushing through things, because that's how injuries happen, and that's how, you know, your results slow down. Just take your time, focus, take deep breaths through your sets and reps, and yeah, grind it out. Once you're done, then you can rush to wherever you need to be. But in the gym should be a mindful experience. The aftermath, a little sweaty. That little, this suit right here is kind of hot. Need a little bit more AC in this room, and then we good. Awesome contenders over here. Next fighting champions. Lovely, lovely. Thank you guys for coming once again. Appreciate it. All right, guys, I just made a new best friend over here.
What's up, guys?
Andrew, a fellow creator.
Nice to meet you.
Look at his little magic wand right there. The Canon 80D. And what lens we got on there?
What is it? Yeah, I don't know it by name, but it's here you go. Oh. It's a nice one. It does all the work for me.
Oh, all right. I gotta go collab. He's also in JP, so I gotta go take him out to coffee, pick his brain, and then like see what we can come up with. And then also, you already know who she is, right? Look at those gloves. We gotta shout out my homie at Society 9.
Got
Lovely.
these for her birthday. It's her birthday this coming week.
This is the good man.
So.
Got her those. Awesome.
What am I?
Yeah. So he's giving me grief because I forgot to put the what I forgot to do. What I forgot to do, Ron?
Not today. Every time. Take the wraps up after that.
So if we don't have any clean wraps, it's my fault if we don't have any clean wraps. All right, I take full ownership, Ron. All right, so if we don't have any clean wraps, it's my fault. All right, just so that you know.
You got me some too, though, so I should always have something there.
Yeah, you should always have one. All right, guys, you guys got some more awesomeness to do.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you guys for.
We get to walk in.
A little behind the scenes of the behind the scenes.
Oh, did you get it?
Here, keep going. Got it, I think.
The shooter.
And this is not mine.
I always wanted to know how these like shoots happen, but I got to see like quick shots.
Yeah, the walking secret is if you see it in real life, it looks really weird because usually the person's just walking back and
slow,
forth.
and then the blur in the background, all of that stuff. I love it. Yo, it is not that cold outside.
Oh, it's beautiful out.
You should take a coat out.
Yeah, those guys are awesome, man. Like, I would highly suggest that you follow her page. She got definitely some awesome content, that she posts on the reg. So go follow her, see how she's doing. And also watch out for her progress, man, because she's becoming a very sharp boxer and whatnot. So highly recommend that you follow up on her. Bam. All right, so we're about to have some turkey burgers. With some bacon. Bacon! Yo, look at my little hipster baby. My little hipster booger. He's about to go to swim class. You gonna have fun? He's about to go to swim class for the second time, but this time is gonna be a whole series. All right, little hipster. All right, ladies and gents, we got the turkey burger. Most important macro right there is the 22 grams of protein. Then we got this brioche wheat bun. We got some bacon. Then we got my favorite pepper jack cheese, and then some jalapeno slices. Only thing is missing is the tomatoes, or the tomatoes, however you want to pronounce it. I'm making me an awesome lunch. Probably make 2 of them. The bacon is heating up, and then I'm gonna throw the turkey burgers on the grill and enjoy. I'll holla on the next clip once it's all done. But here's like a little highlight reel of the prep, all right? So awesomeness is still cooking. The burgers are on the grill right now. Going to have this, ooh, it's gonna be so good. After this lunch, I'm gonna go shower, get dressed. I got a fundraiser that I'm attending. The homie Kelly hit me up about this fundraiser last week. And apparently the whole squad is gonna be there. I don't think you guys ever met the full entire squad all at once. So basically these are the group of trainer friends that I made when I moved here. Awesome people. We're gonna have like a little mini reunion here. We're just missing one, and that's Adam, man. Adam, we miss you, buddy. Wish you were here, man. Boston ain't the same without you, dog. Like, if you wanted to get to know Adam, he's in like my very first vlogs that I posted on this channel. Awesome guy. He's out in New Zealand. Hopefully he can return back within the next year or so, and we can just make some awesome stuff together. Or I just go out there and visit him. Anyway, thing is cooking. Let's get to it. This is really good. Definitely would have been pissed off if I made just one. One thing about me, I love food. Not always the healthiest choices, but I make up for it in the gym. So I get to enjoy things like these. So good.
What is this mic for?
Well, I'll do the mic.
It picks up your voice.
Oh, really? It's a mic?
It's so clear in this.
Thank you.
Oh, I gotta get on your level. Huh?
What do we call ourselves?
What did we call ourselves?
In the chat, Basics.
The basics.
The Basics.
The
So
Basics.
this is one of the members of the Basics right here.
Hey guys.
We got Tiff Low Mind,
Yep.
or Tiff Low if you're nasty.
Damn.
And we got Kelly over there. That's she's putting that domestic to work and whatnot. And we're at a fundraiser for these guys. Bam. That's general. Yeah, so we are linking the band. Well, some of the band
Yep.
are linking for this
The
good
other
cause.
members come in later.
I mentioned that one of the most famous members, Adam, won't be attending because he is across the ocean, across the world.
Yes.
But hopefully he does see this message because he does watch some of the shows.
Does he? Hi, Adam.
Yo, what up, Adam? Look at your girl. Look at the glow
Haven't
up.
changed.
Look at the glow up.
Really
though.
haven't changed.
Yes, she has. She has. All right, and now we're gonna just like reminisce and
Yeah.
ooh, 26.2. So it is a marathon as well.
Yeah, it is.
They
Well,
got-
it's a marathon.
They got the whole thing. So as the member of the Basics roll in, I'll introduce you to them. Oh yeah, she's also an awesome personal trainer. So if you are looking to get some gains, I recommend highest recommendations right
The
over
Asian
here.
persuasion.
Yeah, that's your thing. You know. All right, cut.
Look at this model.
All right, so I was mentioning, so this actual episode is gonna come out on Monday.
Okay.
All right, so this is a member of the Basics. So I spoke about you guys before, but we never formally introduced you guys. So another trainer extraordinaire. Look at her glow up. All right, so this is member 2. Member number 2, and now we got, who we waiting on? Kaylin. Is Yusuf coming?
Is Yusuf coming? No. He's skiing.
Yo, fuck you, Yusuf, for not coming.
Put that in there.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
She's leaving.
And she's leaving. Because she got some mingling to do. We got Kaylin over here. Wait, let's bring you up.
Oh no.
Look. Oh. Okay, so what's the name of the group again? Oh, at least 2 members of the girl band. Get in here. All right, Kaylin's in the building.
Most people don't realize this, but we're the pretty members.
Oh, shit.
Also, Kelly's vocals haven't been the same since the surgery.
Wait, her what?
Since the surgery. She
What?
got the Bruce Jenner surgery.
Oh.
Then it haven't been alright.
But we still love and support her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
You
guess.
guys not gonna break up though, right? You still,
No,
you guys still going on
I
tour?
mean, jury's out for me, but
I mean, hey, if the Jonas Brothers can get back together, you know, like
that's so true.
Yo, y'all gonna be touring. No, y'all gonna be touring well into your
How many
40s.
times have you? What's that?
Y'all gonna be touring well into your 40s.
Yeah,
45.
exactly.
True.
Yeah.
How many times have you watched the music video?
So many times.
It's amazing.
Which
And I don't
one?
even know what's happening. Yeah, exactly.
Which one?
Sucker from the Jonas Brothers.
Oh.
No, yeah.
Not a good
Yeah.
one. Ooh, I have something.
Oh, this the
Oh,
other
wait.
girl mem.
Well, we introduced her, so girl band. That's who they were just talking shit about. You know, they were
Me?
talking about shit about you.
You're always talking shit about me.
Always.
Hey, Gabe. You
Oh,
look
we
so
got
good.
Gabe's in the building. Oh.
Be on the blog?
Yeah, we on the blog. My man. Yo, that's a dope ass.
Thanks, man.
What are we gonna talk about?
So let's introduce you first.
Okay.
So you guys know Gabe. All right, needs no introduction.
It's following.
the people who watch it, they know. Whoever watches this, you guys know Gabe. Needs no introduction now. You know, the lady behind Gabe that makes him great.
My name is Ellie.
Ellie. And then you got her homegirls.
My homegirls.
Homegirls.
Sharbo. Nameless. Sophie.
Nameless. Sophie.
Nameless homegirls.
Nameless homegirls.
Yep.
All right. Chill in here.
Peace and love. Spread kindness. Bye.
Peace. It's still early. We just gonna wait a few more. Few more. Just a little bit. Just wait and watch.
Just wait.
Back at the crib with my little hipster booger. Look at him. Look at those Batman tights he got on right there. Definitely gotta get me a pair. Anyways, we're gonna be kicking it for a little bit. Might go hang out with some of the homies later on tonight because there is a birthday get together, so maybe do that. But right now, the temperature just went from hot and to cold, like just like that. It dipped mad hard, right? That's probably why he's not so happy with me because my hands are cold. But yeah, that's the homies, man. Yusuf wasn't there, Adam wasn't there. We miss you both. Anyways, hope to see you later on tonight. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and holla at your guala.